Okay, this video, how to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant is a property of matrices, and it will come in handy when we're trying to figure out what the inverse of the matrix is. The determinant actually can tell you whether or not the matrix has an inverse, and this has implications for solving systems of linear equations. If it doesn't have an inverse, it's not a solvable system. So you got that to go. So let's just, first of all, how do you calculate the determinant? And then we'll worry about how to use it later. But it's fairly simple. You merely have to multiply the two diagonals. So we're going to multiply the main diagonal, the one that starts in the upper left, goes down to the lower right, and we're going to get a number. So let's do this. I'll move the cat out of the way. We'll take 3 times 5 and we'll get 15. Then we multiply the other diagonal, the one that starts in the lower left, goes to the upper right. 1 times 2 is 2. And we simply subtract those numbers. So the determinant of this matrix is simply 13. Now you might have noticed that I'm using a different kind of bracket. I'm using just straight lines instead of the brackets that have the little serifs on the end. There's a reason for that. This is when we're talking about the determinant itself. These straight brackets are purely for saying we want to talk about the determinant, or we're indicating that we want you to calculate the determinant. Let's do a couple more. This one is just going to be 0 minus 6. It's going to be negative 6. This one is going to be 8 minus 8, or 0. And this is the condition we're looking for. This particular matrix will not be invertible. And we'll get to that later when we're using matrices to solve systems of equations. Finally, here's one real quick. 0 minus 2, negative 2. And we've calculated the determinants of all those matrices. And that's for a 2 by 2. The next video we'll talk about how to calculate the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix.